All right, hello everyone. So here's the second video that I told you guys I was going to be posting. Okay, so we're continuing with solving linear equations, only here instead of working with addition and subtraction, we're going to be working with multiplication and division. So once again, I'm going to go over a few problems so that you guys get a better understanding of how to do your homework, and then you guys complete the rest on your own. So the first step is to draw your line where the equation sign is. Now, we're going to do the opposite operation. Here, when you have a number next to a variable, it means multiplication. The opposite would be division. So we're going to be dividing both sides by 2. Negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. Okay, let's do another problem. Here, once again, we're drawing our line. Now, here we're dividing. The opposite of division is multiplication. So we're going to be multiplying, right, by 6. This cancels out. We'll multiply here by 6. So U equals 54. We're going to do another multiplication problem. We're going to draw our line over the equation sign, and then the opposite of multiplication is division. So whatever you do on one side, you have to do to the other side. And in this case, 54 divided by negative 9 is negative 6. Remember, a positive divided by a negative stays negative, okay? Let's do one more together. So let's do number 8. We're going to draw the line over the equal sign. This is division, so the opposite is multiplication. And whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other side. Now here, I just happen to know what the answer is because, I'm doing it in my head. But if you have trouble doing it in your head, use a calculator, please, or go online and do the Google calculator. You guys all use it, so I know you know how to access it. Don't struggle if you don't have to. Use your resources, right? We always let you use calculators in class, so you guys can use calculators here as well, okay? So negative 2 times 20 would be negative 40. R equals negative 40. Now let's read the next part together. Brandy wants to buy a digital camera that costs $300. Suppose she saves $15 each week. In how many weeks will she have enough money for the camera? Okay, guys, so we need to form our equation. So we know that it's going to be a total of $300, right? So $300. And you know that it's going to be $15 each week. That's how much she's going to save each week. Now, what we don't know is how many weeks it's going to take. Okay, so we can use W for weeks as our variable. Now we have our equation. 15W equals 300. So we're going to go ahead and draw our line right there. Now, the opposite of multiplication is division. So we're going to be dividing each side by 15. Okay? So we're going to get W equals, once again, I can do this in my head, but if you guys can't do it in your head, then you need to be using a calculator, okay? So I know that 15 goes into 30 2 times, and then it'll be a 0, so 20. So W equals 20. 20 weeks to save $300. Okay. All right, guys. So I'm going to be logging off. I'm going to post another video later on that has to do with chapter 2 of The Outsiders. All right. Mommy. Bye, guys.